So, freelancing changed my life. And as a freelancing coach, that's a cherry on top. And I'm gonna tell you why I love doing it. First, there's the impact. When I see someone go from struggling to thriving, when they land their first direct client, that's priceless. It's like I'm not just helping one person, I'm helping families, dreams, and futures. It's the best feeling in the world knowing that somehow I was able to take part in someone else's success story. I also love the connections. Coaching has introduced me to so many amazing people, talented, passionate, and hungry to grow. It's like building a community of dreamers and doers. Being part of the journey is also rewarding for me because as much as they learn, I also learn from them. I also get inspired. And let's talk about flexibility. Coaching allows me to design my days my way. I get to pursue what I love and still have time for my personal goals. But you know what I love the most about being a freelancing coach? Well, it's the ripple effect. Every person that I help becomes capable of helping others, whether it's their family members, their friends, or even their colleagues. The process never ends. So what do I love about being a freelancing coach? Well, it's not just about teaching the skills, it's about the ability to help change lives. And that is something I will never get tired of. Freelancing changed my life and now I get to help others change their lives as well. How cool is that? So if you're ready to start your freelancing journey, well, let us do it together.